Alright, welcome to FigureBender, and today, my main man Maverick and I being Jesse, are gonna open the... Who is this?
The Beast Morpher.
The Beast Morpher. What color?
Gold.
Gold! Beast Morpher Gold Ranger.
Let's open this.
Hold on, let's show them the cool back. Because that's an awesome pose. I can't wait to watch this series with you. This is going to be cool. Let's get out the official opening knife. Sent straight to us from... Who sent us this? Batman sent us this. Thank you, Batman. You can't talk about Batman without using Batman voice.
That's all right.
Good job with your Batman voice. This is cool. He kind of does look orange there, doesn't he? He looks kind of orange. We need an Orange Ranger. Nickelodeon. Japan. Hasbro. Hasbro? Shout out to Hasbro.
Who's Hasbro?
The wonderful people that make these awesome toys.
Oh.
It says Hasbro. Hasbro. It's the perfect title for the perfect toy company. I love you, Hasbro. Oh, dude, that's so awesome.
That was good.
What is that? Oh, dude, that's his energy blast.
Yeah.
I think it's going to attach to his sword or wherever we want it to. Keeping it PG.
That was his blaster.
Okay, let's get a good look at him. I'm going to show everyone watching, okay? Oh, dude, let's get a good shot of that. Oh, man.
I'm going to show them
It's
this.
so cool. Yo, you want to show them that? Show them that cool effect. It looks like lightning, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, man, it works really well, too. Oh, let's check them out. There's a lot of cool movement and joints. Man, he's really flexible. Yeesh. You know it's bad when your toys have better posture than you.
Watch out for someone.
Okay. We gotta finish this video. I don't wanna... Okay. You wanna hold him?
Yeah.
Check him out. I'll get out these weapons while you do that. Oh. Check out the sword. Check out that sword. You think we can put it on there?
Yeah.
Thank God. I love your lightning sound effect. Dude, check it out. It goes on there. Can you see that? Can you see that, Internet? Okay, Daddy needs to finish. Just stop shocking me. You want to get out his head?
Yeah. What's that?
Do you think the extra head, the unmorphed head, do you think that looks like the actor? Do you think that looks like him? I don't know, because we haven't watched the series yet. That could be anyone. I like him though. He's got a good face.
They work in kits.
He does?
Yeah.
He's got a good kick, kind of like you.
Yeah.
You remember when the Green Ranger taught you how to kick? Yeah. Stop kicking me the whole time. Let's see what other... Oh, you wanted to see this, right?
Yeah.
You want to see his blaster? Let's see where this is going to go. The lightning's over there. How's he still shocking me? I don't like this game. Let's put him in a cool pose. That's my favorite, the sitting pose. Here, switchies. Please, God, switchies. Check out that cool blaster.
That was right here.
I don't know. We're going to have to watch the series. Let's show everyone the cool blaster. Oh.
And the boy and sword.
Ooh. We'll do some different pictures and videos of all these, and we'll put it all together. So you can actually get a good look at this lightning that keeps shocking me. Let's show them the last two parts of this. Let's show them these hands. Oh. At least I'm hairless on my body now from getting shocked. Dude, check out this hand.
The spider webs.
It does look like he's doing spider webs.
Daddy said,
He must love heavy metal.
Daddy said, sweet.
It does look like he's saying just too sweet. Well, Maverick, and he also has another fist. He has a cool sweet hand and a fist hand. For probably shocking his daddy. So, what do you think? What rating do you give him? Do you think he's okay, or do you think this is just too sweet? There you go. The Beast Morpher Gold Ranger Lightning Collection figure by Hasbro. Hasbro got an official FigureBender rating of just too sweet.